Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. In today's video, we are continuing our new series of building a directory website using Oxygen Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. Let's get started. In the last video of our series, we demonstrated how to create home page using Oxygen Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. Oxygen Builder is a pixel-perfect design meets WordPress power. It has user-friendly interface with customizations. It has a lot of extensions and features. It also offers many features such as dynamic data, variables, and many more. Under extension, there are breakdance form for Oxygen 6 and breakdance elements for Oxygen 6 and many more. Coming on to pricing, it has lifetime bundle option for purchase. It also has good reviews. So if you want to purchase, then you can check out the link in the description box provided. If you purchase through our link, you will also get some discount. So check out the link in the description box of this video to avail the offer. Today we will be discussing about directory sites archive page. Here many listings will be shown and a map section will also be there where listings can be seen location wise and there will be a search bar. So this will be discussed. Let's get started. Coming on to the WordPress dashboard, then hover on to Oxygen, then come on to templates, then click on add template, then continue. Naming it GD archive and selecting location all archive. Then click add template. So our GD archive template will be ready. So we will be editing it with Oxygen Builder. So our editor is open now. So we will be using blocks of Oxygen and shortcodes of GeoDirectory to create archive page. Then we will be creating GD search page in this video where we can see our search results. Then we will also show archive item and how to edit it. So first let's design the archive page. Click on the plus icon. We can see Oxygen Builder blocks. So taking container, then assigning class archive hero container. After selection, settings are open. Adding background color, coming on to background. Then selecting color from here. We are selecting a shade of orange. Then searching and taking a heading block. Let's set this heading dynamically. So coming on to the icon right side to the text. Now we can use dynamic title from here. So selecting archive title. So let's save it first and coming on to the front end. Now you can see this archive text. So it should not be seen. So coming back to the builder, click on the archive title, then enable disable prefix. Then coming on to the front end and refresh it. We want all to be added. So coming back, then coming on to advanced, adding all in prepend, then saving it and coming on to the front end and refresh it. Now you can see all places. Now let's style it a little bit. Coming back to the builder, tags h2, then coming on to the design and typography, alignment center and color from here white. So now our title is done. Below this we will be adding a search bar. So taking a shortcode from here. Now coming back to the WordPress dashboard, then places and then add new places, opening it in a new tab. Now click on use default editor. Click on shortcode, then select shortcode. Then choose GD search shortcode. Then copy the shortcode and then coming back and paste it over here. Now our geodirectory search bar can be seen here. So we will be adding padding from the left and right side. For that, opening the structure, Then coming on to spacing, adding padding 15 pixel from both sides. Then margin bottom to 20 pixel. Then save it. Now coming on to the front end and refresh the page. So now title can be seen over here all places and search bar is also there. So we want our header width to look a little bit small. So coming back to the shortcode, let's take a container over here within it, clicking onto the structure, then drag over here and leave it. Then selecting a container, adding a name, GD search container, then adding spacing, padding left and right 15 pixel, apply opposite, then save it. Now coming onto the front end and refresh it. So now it looks like this. Now let's minimize it more. So coming back, editing 150 pixel and then apply opposite, then save it. Now coming back and refresh it. So now it looks better. So this part of hero section is done. Now we will be taking two columns. Left column will have listings and in the right column there will be map. So above the listing we will be adding two more shortcodes. One will be GD loop action and another will be loop paging. So coming back to builder, taking up a container, then coming on to structure, then editing its name to map listing container, then selection. After selection, settings are open. We will be adding two more containers within this. So click on plus icon and drag and drop the containers, then coming on to structure, then duplicate it, then naming first one as listing call and next one as right call. Then coming on to the main column, then flex, then flow row wise, and in listing column, then size, pixel to percentage, and then 50%. Then coming on to map call, then size, editing it to 50%. Then we will be taking one more container below it, then coming on to structure, then drag and drop the container within the main container, naming main container as map listing main container. After selection, coming on to flex, flow rate, row wise, alignment X center and Y center. After selection of this container, then coming on to its size, editing it to 90%. So our container structure is set. Then click on plus icon, then drag and drop a shortcode. In this we will be adding GD loop shortcode. So coming on to places, then add new place. Click on use default editor, then coming on to shortcode icon, then select shortcode, opening this, selecting GD loop action shortcode and then copy it and then coming back and paste it in the builder. Border type to none. Coming on to structure, duplicating the shortcode, then removing the shortcode from here and adding loop shortcode over here. So coming on to shortcode here, selecting GD loop shortcode and grid view 2 layout, shadow type small, border color none. We can do other customizations from here. Then copy the shortcode and then coming back and paste it over here. Again duplicating this shortcode, then coming back and then selecting GD loop pagination shortcode and then copying it and pasting it over here. Editing border type to none. Now save this and coming on to front end and refresh. So from here selection can be done according to news, title, rating, default. From here we can do view grid 1, 2, 3, 4. If we do list wise, then it will be showing as a list, and if we do it for grid, then it will be showing grid wise. This is the pagination which is being shown below. Now in the right column we will be adding map. So coming back to builder, Then we will be duplicating a shortcode block and then including it in the right container. Then removing this shortcode and then coming back and taking from here gdmap shortcode. Now copy the shortcode and then coming back and paste it. Editing height to 100 VH and then save it. Then coming on to output and refresh the page. So now you can see the map is added over here, but the height is not up to the mark. So we will be adding height of the mark, and in the listing container also we will be adding some height and we will be adding the scroll. So coming back to the Oxygen builder, so taking up a container within which we will be dragging and including shortcode listing and pagination shortcode within the container, and we will be naming that container scroll-listings-col. Copying the class as we will be writing a CSS over this, then coming on to customize, then coming on to additional CSS, then paste the CSS over here. So we have added CSS over here. I will be adding this CSS in the description box. Now click on publish to publish it. Now coming to archive page and refresh it. Now coming on to Oxygen builder and save it. Now coming back and refresh it. Now into our listing the scroll is added. Now we will be adjusting map height with listing height. Coming back, coming on to the map shortcode, editing its height to 740 pixel and then save it. Coming on to front end and refresh it. Now the height is coming properly. Now we need to add some padding to the listing. So coming on to listing call, then coming on to spacing, then padding, top 30 pixel for top, then save it. Then coming on to front end and refresh it. So now this pagination looks proper. Let's edit it to 25 so that it looks more neat. So save it and coming back and refresh it. So now our spacing is proper. So this was our archive page layout. There was archive page title bar, search page, loop action, listings, pagination, map, scrolling. And if we click on the next page, then next page listing can also be seen. So now we will talk about search page, in which user will be directed to search page on clicking on this. For this, coming on to the WordPress builder, then in Oxygen templates, click add template, then continue. Editing page title GD search and location to search results. Editing priority to 11 and then add template. Now click on to edit in Oxygen builder. So to design the search page, so coming on to the archive page builder, so we can copy it from here. So right click and copy all and coming on to this page, coming on to here structure and pasting in this box. So our search bar is here in the archive hero container. Now coming back, copying the listing and coming here into the GD search page and paste it. Now let's customize it a little bit. Now drag this container and add it in the listing and edit its padding to 0 and click on apply opposite to apply on both sides. Now let's save it once. Coming on to the front end and then click on search button, and now this is our search page. So it looks like this, similar to archive page. So we have added here a search bar, a loop action. So let's add some padding first. Coming back to the builder, then coming on to this container of listing call, selection of class and then spacing and padding, right side 20 pixel. Now we will also be changing the title. Click on title and editing it to search. Now let's save it and coming on to the front end and refresh it. So this was our search page. We have added padding over here. So the items seen over here from the listing are known as archive items. So we will let you know now how to edit these items. Coming on to add template, new template for archive item, or if you want to edit previous item, then for that coming on to geodirectory and then settings, then pages, then coming on to archive item page. Here click on action button and click on edit page. Then it will be redirected to editing page of archive item. So now you can edit the archive item from this page. So on clicking here, you can see that many options have opened, so you can edit it from here. And if you want to create a custom archive item, then you can click on edit with Oxygen Builder. So we will be keeping it default, and let's save it. We have created here archive page, search page, and this is our archive item which is coming from item. In the next video, we will be telling about single listing, of how to design single detail listing page. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.
We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.